This is an instructional video for how to create a virtual classroom. The first thing that I want to do is go to the app Keynote, open up Keynote, and you're going to create a new presentation. I'm going to select Classic White, and then I just want to add a blank slide. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and delete this first slide because I don't need it, and so all I'm left with is a blank page. Okay, once you're here, you can go ahead and add in your background. To do so, what I would suggest is searching floor and wall background on Google. You can look through and find different images, find one that you like, and then you can just save it to your camera roll by clicking Add to Photos. So go back to Keynote, and now I want to set this as my background. So to do so, I'm going to hit the paintbrush, select background, go over to image, change image, and now I can select any picture from my camera roll and put this as my background. Okay, so now that I have my background set, I can start adding in the other images and items. So again, I'm going to hit the plus sign up top. I'm going to select photo or video, and this is going to allow me to look through my camera roll and add images. Okay, so these images that you see here, I just searched on Google and saved them to my camera roll. So let's select the desk. I'm going to make it bigger. You can resize it, make it smaller or bigger, move it around. But I don't want this white background. So to get rid of that, I can see that my image is selected, and then I'm going to go up to the top, the little paintbrush. Okay, where it says Style, Image, and Arrange, you want to make sure that you have Image selected, and then you are going to click on Instant Alpha. So after I click on Instant Alpha, I'm holding my finger on the white background, and I just slightly slide it over, and everything that is highlighted light blue is going to disappear. So now all I'm left with is this desk. I'm going to move it there, and if I want the desk, I'm happy with where it is, I want it to stay there, then I can lock it into place. So again, I see my desk is selected, and to lock it, I'm going to go up to the paintbrush again, but this time I'm going to click on Arrange and Lock. And so now that desk is there, it's not going to move, it's going to stay in place. So let's add in some more images. Again, go to the little plus sign up top, photo or video, and let's add a little bulletin board. Okay, so I resized it, and let's keep it there. I want to lock it in place. So again, I'm hitting the paintbrush. I'm making sure it's on Arrange, and then I just hit Lock. So now that bulletin board is in place, and it's not going to move. So let's add another image. How about a notebook paper? Okay, so I see that this piece of paper has white background. I don't want it, so I'm going to hit the paintbrush, go to Image and Instant Alpha. I've selected Instant Alpha, and so now I'm holding my finger on that white background, just barely sliding over, and that's going to disappear my background as soon as I let my finger go. Okay, so let's put this little piece of notebook paper on our bulletin board, and I want to add some text on it, so I'm just hitting the plus sign, adding a text. Okay, and I want to make this my syllabus for class. Okay, so I'm going to move syllabus up here. And so what I want is, my goal is for when students click on this little notebook paper, it's going to take them to my classroom syllabus, which I have on Google Drive. And the way that I can do this is, here is my syllabus on Google Drive. I'm going to hit these three dots, and I want to select Copy Link. So this is copying the web address for this syllabus. Okay, I want to link the syllabus to the piece of paper. So I'm hitting the piece of paper, I hit link. Right now it says link to slide. You need to change that to web page. And I'm just pasting the link in the space. So now, when I select, I'm going to click on the notebook paper, and it takes me to my classroom syllabus. So let's try linking something else. I'm gonna add a computer to my desk. Okay, so here I have a computer, and I want this computer to take students to a YouTube video. So to do that, I first need to find the YouTube video. So I'm gonna go over to YouTube, and I want them to watch a video on food safety. So to do that, I find my YouTube video, I'm gonna hit share, copy link. So I just copied the link. Okay, again, I'm clicking on my computer. I select link, change slide to web page, and now I'm able to paste the YouTube link onto my computer. So when I click on my computer, it's now taking me to the YouTube video that I want to watch. So you can link things to web pages, to YouTube videos, to student work. If students have saved or uploaded work onto their Google Drive, they can just copy that link and it'll take them to their work that they've uploaded. Just different websites, videos, anything that you can think of that has a web link, you can link your items to. So I want to show you one more thing. Bitmoji is kind of popular right now, so if you do have a little Bitmoji that you want to include in your classroom, you can do that. So I want my Bitmoji to be sitting on this couch. So again, first add the couch. I want to get rid of the background. So I hit the paintbrush, go to Instant Alpha, and I'm getting rid of the background. I want to move my couch over. Okay, so now I want to add my little Bitmoji character in here. So what I did is I saved my Bitmoji to my camera roll. I'm adding it in. Again, I'm getting rid of the background by going to Instant Alpha. Okay, but I have a couch I want to be sitting on and not the beanbag. So now I'm just holding on to the purple beanbag. And sometimes it takes a little tweaking, but I'm able to highlight this and get rid of the beanbag that I was sitting on. It does take some tweaking. It might not always be perfect, but you get the idea. So you can play around with this until you find something that you like, and be creative and make all of this your own.